Thank you, Mr. President. Coming from the district that contains large swaths of the coast, we know a bit about how error-riddled, politically driven maps and plans can negatively affect average families. We fought FEMA flood maps and insurance program revisions. We continue to fight FEMA's disastrous biological opinion that would render many coastal counties uninhabitable. And we've fought the Department of Forestry's catastrophic habitat conservation plan, which even today continues the process of bankrupting our schools, countless and small districts. We know a well-meaning but bad plan when we see it. Mr. President, we have seen the results of another well-meaning but poorly crafted plan in the Oregon Wildfire Mapping Project. All of Oregon has seen a rapid increase in property insurance rates and a difficulty in development, but nowhere has it been more pronounced as it has been at the coast, where the lack of infrastructure has led to a massive lack of housing development on every single economic strata. Housing that does exist comes at an eye-popping cost. Dramatic increases in insurance prices are just another slap in the face, another reason for the rapid rise in housing costs for workers, for seniors, for new home buyers, for renters, for everyone. I love Oregon. I love the work that we do in this building, but we have a habit of addressing problems with solutions that cause massive unintended consequences. It's the equivalent of fixing the problem of feeling cold by setting ourselves on fire. The wildfire maps created are just another chapter in that book. We have an opportunity to admit our mistake and bring forward a targeted, reasonable solution. Colleagues, let's set aside our pride and get it done. Thank you, Mr. President.